Welcome to Lesson Plant Kitchen. I'm Grant, an educator, home chef, and vegan. Today we're making vegan baked macaroni and cheese. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 163 degrees Celsius. Be sure to salt your boiling water and add 2 boxes of chickpea macaroni. Like pasta made from lentils, you'll want to stick a wooden spoon over the pot to keep it from boiling over and occasionally stir. The secret to our mac and cheese is in the sauce. Start with 1 cup of unsweetened, plant-based almond yogurt. Add to that 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, as well as 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. To help it come all together, throw in some salt and a half cup of unsweetened soy milk. Once the base is well mixed, add in a half cup of plant-based cheddar shreds and stir some more. Drop in your drained macaroni and carefully, thoroughly combine the mixture. When your oven is ready and the mixture is ready to go too, add it to an oven-safe baking dish, top it with the other half cup of plant-based cheddar shreds, and bake it for 10 minutes. Remove this from the oven and top it with 3/4 cup of TVP bacon bits, and then return it to the oven for 5 more minutes before serving. And you're done. This makes 9 servings. Like traditional mac and cheese, it is still gooey and cheesy, perfect for meal prep and family dinners. Top it off with some more TVP bacon bits, maybe some chives, and you're gonna have a really delicious lunch or dinner. I know I'm not complaining, especially when you look at the nutrition. A restaurant will typically have 800 to 900 calories per serving. We're at 300 with nearly 20 grams of protein and not a lot of fat. Now that you know what to do, here are your ingredients and shopping list. Time to get cooking. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, consider subscribing, and share the recipe with friends and family. More recipes on lessonplantkitchen.com and here on YouTube.